Hi guys, I'm Liana here at the Challenger Learning Center to do a Friday kitchen chemistry video with you guys. Today we are going to be learning about acids and bases using baking soda and vinegar. So for this experiment you will need baking soda, a balloon, vinegar, and a water bottle. I've gone ahead and already put my vinegar in a water bottle here, and a funnel. I only have this super large one, but a smaller one will work just fine. So first I'm going to go ahead and funnel in baking soda into our balloon. Alright, so I've gone ahead and funneled in about 1/3 of a cup of baking soda. Next I'm going to take my balloon and I'm going to stretch it over the mouth of our bottle. And then I'm going to take our balloon, lift it up and let all that baking soda go in, and watch what happens to our balloon. Alright, so in this experiment what you just saw happen is you saw as the acid of vinegar mixed with the base of baking soda, they formed a chemical reaction and made carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas that needed to escape the bottle as it was being made, and so what it did is it filled up our balloon. So this is all air in here, and all of our liquid is down in the bottom. And as you can see, our reaction is done. It's fizzing just a little bit, but nothing near like it was. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed blowing up your own balloon without having to use your mouth at all.